Hey guys, Josh here from ActiveAway. I'm here to talk you through our new booking process to make things super easy. So we're going to start on our homepage, and the first thing that you can see is I'm signed in. Now, having an account with us is just going to make that booking flow really easy. So if you haven't, go ahead and register for one. If you don't want an account, that's fine. You can still book anyway. I'm going to go ahead and click on book now. That's going to take us to our events page, and you can see we've got quite the number of events here. What I like to do is use the search box just to type in a resort name or anything like that. It's pretty flexible to filter through my events. I can also use the calendar here to segment them down even more. But as we're in a unique spot, and that's just before our 27 launch, I'm going to direct us to a event. And the first event I'm going to show you here is an overseas event with accommodation. If you're just booking for a UK event, you can skip the video to the UK event section, which is going to be later. So first thing you'll note, I'm hit with some photos of the event, photos of the resort, so I can have a look at these, cycle through them, check it all out. Looks very nice. You'll then get a description, a little video, what's included with your trip, some reviews, information on the confirmation timing, so the fact that we're waiting for a few players on this event. Also, if the coaches are listed here, you'll be able to see the coaches. You can download the itinerary. You've got the airport, so which flights go out and back on the dates of the event. But the first thing I'm showing here is how many spaces are available and how many spaces I've got. So I can adjust this for each room, and I'm able to add up to 3 rooms, and you'll be able to configure those rooms however you want. Seeing as I'm just booking for myself, I'm going to select 1 adult. The next stage I'm going to be hit with is the room options. So here I can see the different options. So I've got landside, side sea view, loads and loads of different options. I can click on the photos. I can have a little look through them. Okay, looks cool. And then I can select the room. Next stage is a double or a twin bed. Now, as I'm traveling on my own, I'm gonna go with a double bed. Twin beds is obviously 2 beds, and we can never guarantee that, but we will always request it. I'm gonna go ahead and confirm a double bed. And now this is what's really helpful, is you can see that my information is pre-filled because I'm signed in. So it makes the process, look at this, 1 click, really easy. I then have my tennis ability level, and I can view the guide. So read the guide, let's just say I'm a 4, some special requests, any room near request, racket club, group organizers. So that information is really helpful for us when allocating groups, when knowing where you've kind of booked from. The next stage is extra nights. So that's if you wanted to add extra nights, you can go ahead and do that here. So what you can do is search for extra nights before or after. In this case, I'm not gonna have extra nights. The next stage is transfer. So this will be where you're able to select a transfer. So I'm gonna select a departure and an inbound. I need to select this box, and then I'm able to continue. Next, you'll be hit with our merchandise section. We obviously love these ActiveAway clothes, so it'd be great if you wanted to grab a t-shirt. As you can see, I'm already wearing one, so I'm going to continue. And then I'm now at the final stage. So I've just got a little checkbox here for Liberty Likeia, as there's 2 sides to the resort. I can see my dates. On the next page, when I continue to payment, is I'm hit with a promo code here. So that's where you'll enter your promo code, a credit note or a gift card. We do certain campaigns at certain times of the year. Credit notes are if you have a credit balance with us, and a gift card if you bought a gift card with us. So you can enter those there, and the final step is enter your card details and pay. You can also choose to pay the full balance if you just want to settle everything straight away. Hit the pay button, and then you'll be through the booking process. Now, how things work next, we have 2 options. We may have your room within our allocation, and if that's the case, good news, we don't need to talk to the hotel. If we don't, what happens is we fire off a request to the hotel, happens automatically. They need to click a button. Once they click the button, we're all good. The second thing we have to look for is a minimum number of players. Now, our events work as groups. So we will have a minimum number on all of our events before your booking is confirmed. So those two things are what we're waiting for, and then you'll get your email saying go ahead and book your flights. The other route to show you is a clinic. Now, clinic's a little bit simpler, and that's a UK event without accommodation. It's presented with the same options as we saw before. Again, we select how many adults. So in this case, we've not got any non-players. I'm going to use my details. We can see my level is now pre-filled. I'm hit with the same options for merchandise. I can check everything looks great, so all looks great, accept the terms and conditions, and then we're back on that payment page. You can see this one is actually blocked, but we're back on that payment page that you saw before at the end here, where I enter my card details and pay. Now, once you've all paid, once you've got everything, you'll see it in your dashboard. That's why we recommend having an account, and you can see all your bookings in there. But that's the booking flow. Our team are always happy to help. Unlike other companies, we can actually help you book from our back end as well. We can make things easy, but we much prefer people to book through the front end, because as you can see, the booking is now super customizable, which essentially means, do you want extra nights? How much is that? Do you want a room upgrade? We want to give you that choice, and we want that sort of clarity with the various different pricing options. So that's it. Happy booking. If you need any help at all, my email is josh@activeaway.com. And if you've got any feedback for us on the system, we'd love to hear it. Thank you so much.